Hi, welcome. My name is Santosh. In this video, we will dive into CorelDRAW. Let's get started. Let me tell you something. I'm very new to CorelDRAW. I'm using it after 15 years. So I asked Copilot to help me out with CorelDRAW. I gave this prompt. You can find the description for the prompt. And I asked it, I will write my name, and it's started guiding me. Okay. Let me show you how to do this. The prompt was teach me how to write Santosh Jadagoudar and change the Santosh color to your favorite color and Jadagoudar color to your favorite color in Corel. Let's follow along and see how this goes. The first thing is to open the CorelDRAW, go to File New, and then select the page size and the color mode. Page size, over here in search presets, type A4 and select red. Under document settings, general, select RGB. Click on OK. Type the text. Use the text tool. The shortcut is Fn F8 if you're on a laptop, or F8 if you're using keyboard, or on the left hand side in the menu, press the A. Click and type. Once the name is typed, select it and hit Control Q, which is the next step. Control K, which is to break the words into two parts. What it does is it converts them to objects, two separate objects. Now let's apply colors. Select the first word, select the second word, and apply the colors. 153, 255 for this. Electric blue color for the first word. Let's dive in. Selected the word, then go to the tool over here on the left hand side. Just hover over two arrows and then select interactive fill. Here at the bottom right where it says RGB00, let's adjust it to 153 to 55. R is 0, G is 153 to 55, B is 255. That is the electric blue. What I also like to do is I like to move this to 100% so that I get this. Okay, that's an option instead. The next is to use the same fill tool again and type 255 102 for the second word. Let's do it. Left hand side, click two arrows, select fill tool, two 55 102, 255 for G, 102 for blue, and then OK. Now customizing the fonts. Try Beba's New for Santosh. Let's do it. Select the font, select the text, and over here type Bebas. It changed the font. Now select the second font and then type railway, which is clean and elegant. This is very slow on my system. There are 8,000 fonts. So it takes time to load. You can also scroll through if you have time. Let's type railway, the complete word, and then railway bold. Or you can use the railway thin version as well. The next step is to go ahead and convert these to curves. Select the word, press Ctrl Q. I select this and press Ctrl Q. And here I will just say to selected, and we can adjust these nodes over here to our liking. And select this tool to sharpen it up, and then we can do something like this. Do you see the power of CorelDRAW? Okay, that looks good. Okay, wonderful. Next, go ahead and say 2 foot again, and then select the second font. Again, the same key, which is Control Q, and then change these points. Let's just say to selected, and then we'll select these nodes, and I will make the J like that, and then this, I will bring it here, and I will bring this to here. Okay, that looks wonderful. Now let's say 2 foot again, and there we go. So after that, the next thing is to export your design. Go to File and Export. We will choose PNG or SVG. I will choose PNG. File, Export. But before you export, we missed one step, which is to align these two center. I will show you this. Align and distribute. To do that, you select these, Window, Dockers, Align and distribute to center, and then the same thing over here to center. Okay. Uh, ensure that this is selected. Actually, what I did is I made a mistake. So I will go over here. I will say 2 foot, and then I will bring these words together. My system is very slow, guys. Please give me some time. I will show you what I'm doing. Okay, now it looks good. Now select both of these like this, and then just say align to center horizontally, align to center vertically, and then we go to select fit, and then move this down, move this up. Okay, wonderful. Now file, export, and then PNG, and name your file. And then over here, just say OK. That's it, guys. For this tutorial, we learned how to create a wonderful, stunning graphic using Copilot. Now I will show you how to find my channel. If you go to youtube.com and if you type AX Santosh, if you type AX Santosh and click on my picture, you will find my channel. I also have regional tutorials for CorelDRAW. I have made them for Kannada beginners. Please share these videos with your friends and family so that I can create more videos for you guys. If you want a specific CorelDRAW tutorials, please request and I will do it for you. Thank you so much. Share the videos with your friends and share the Kannada video if you are watching this from anywhere around the world.